I choose to study factory automation and robotics in Tampere University because I loved the program. I wanted to improve my skills and my knowledge in the field.
The courses that are designed here, they are structured so well that they go well in pace with the current industry trends. The labs here, they are well equipped with all the necessary equipments that are needed for the study of automation engineering.
We also have very close contact and cooperation with industry, which means course projects or master thesis job for the student.
After graduations, you may enter into many different domains based on your interest. So there are many options that are open after the graduation.
The happiest people in the world are living in Finland, according to statistics. And the nature in Finland and Tampere is simply amazing. It is a very student-friendly city. It was not a hard decision to come to Tampere.